Namo Ratnatraya, my dear Dharma friends and their followers. On behalf of Vajrayana Federation Nepal, I am Rajendra Man Vajracharya, presenting the program Vajrayana Views and the Vajrayana Talk. Vajrayana Views, Vajrayana Talk is a platform to discuss on the matter of Buddhist topics. So, since few days ago, we are discussing about the topic Buddhist ordination. In Buddhist ordination also, from 3 days before, we are discussing about the main day program of Buddhist ordination. Yesterday we have discussed, we have given information to you the last moment before to offering robes. Guru Patra, the begging bowl, and the Shishalku stick with capped with Swayambhu Mahachaitya. Till yesterday, all the guidelines given by the Mulacharya, Mula Guru, Vajracharya, Chakreshwar or Mula Chakreshwar, the newly going to be disciple young boys requested and they committed to perform all the teachings given to them by the gurus, to be a monk in Jinasanga. Jinasanga means Baha, Mula Bahi. And Mula Bahi is the local language, but in Sanskrit language it is called the Mahavihara, where the Buddhist ordination program can perform. So today, just before now, means the Guru used to give their newly disciple young boys the guidelines, last guidelines before to receive or getting the robe, Guru Patra and Shishalku. In this time, Guru, the Mula Chakreshwar, will again remind them all the details incomprehensibly. They will give in the comprehensive knowledge of Buddhism when they will be disciple member of the Jinasanga. So, at a time, the disciple students or the going to be Shravanir person, they will again recite requesting to the Guru. Sammanvaharanta acare aham itham namacare madhyesayami idam chivaram sangasya viswase sanga paribhoga ya titistham. Whenever and wherever we get the robe, we fully apply the Buddhist knowledge till the end of this life. Sammanvaranta acharya aham itham namacharya adhyesayami idam chivaram rajakula gamanadishtam. Sammanvaranta acharya aham itham nama madhye sa yami idam chivaram grama nagara nigama palli patana gamanadishtantu. In this way, after wearing the robe, red robe, we obey all the rules of the robes and the Buddhist Jinasanga. Whenever and wherever we go for teaching, for begging, we will fully respect Guru Swabhava, Guru nature, Buddha nature, and the norms and values of the Buddhist doctrines. Along with, we will respect, either we are going to the palace or we are wandering to the road streets, or we are going to give discourses to others. We always respect the robe, Buddha, Dharma, and Sangha, and the rules, all the rules about the Buddhism. Samantoharanta acharya namacharya madhyashyami idam patra rishi bhojana pari bhogya distunta. Whatever offered to us when we are wandering to the streets for begging with the begging bowls, whatever they give, will satisfy and take it. We will take the food before 12 in the midday. Samunant acharya aham iktam nama madhyashyami iman shiksha bhajanam kundi kadistvata. Whatever we have get, the knowledge about the Buddha and Buddhism, we will completely follow the Buddhist education. Samanantara acharya eham itam nama madhyashyami imam chichirika madhyastheta santu. In this way, all the circumstance, all the rules, all the Buddhist education, we will obey. Like this, the disciples will commit in front of the Mula Chakreshwara or Mulacharya, the chief guru. In the same way, they will again recite the verses before the assistant guru, Upadhyaya Guruju. Samantara Upadhyaya Amtham Nama Upadhyaya Adesayami Idam Chira Sangasya Vishwase Sangha Paribhoganistu Samannoa Haranta Upadhyaya Aham Itham Nama Upadhyaya Adesayami Idam Chivara Rajakula Gamana Distantu Samantwarantu Upadhyaya Aham Itham Nama Upadhyaya Adesana. Idam Chivara Gama Nigama Palli Patana Gamanadistantu Samanantara Upadhyaya Aham Itham Nama Upadhyaya Adesana Yami Idam Patra Rishi Bhajana Shiksha Bhajana Bhojana Paribhoga Distantu Samantanta Upadhyaya Aham Itham Nama Upadhyaya Adesayami Idam Shiksha Bhajanam Kundika Distu Samantwarantu Upadhyaya Amitam Nama Upadhyaya Adeshanayami Sahada Shichirika Distu. In this way, they will recite with the commitments in front of the Mula Guru, Mula Acharya Guru and the Upadhyaya Acharya Guru, with committing to respect the robe, to respect Buddha, Dharma, Sangha, and all the Buddhist natures they used to commit to follow. And after that, then the Mulacharya, main guru, will hand over the robe to the newly disciple. And at the time of hand overing the robes, Shishalku and the Guru Patra, the chief guru, Mulacharya Guru, will recite the verse Om Namo Samanta Buddhanam Sarva Tathagata Disthanam Chivara Chibara, Guru Patra, Chichirika, Kundala, Ruchika, Chibara Bastra. In this way, they will recite, the main Guru will recite when he is, the venerable Guru is going to hand over the robes and other materials to be a monk. In this way, the process will continue, and after getting the Chibara, then the newly discipled Sravanar bhikkhus of the Jinasanga, they will wear the robe. That robe will be the red one, and they will get the begging bowl, Guru Patra, and Sishalku, the stick capped with Swayambhu Mahachaitya. And after getting these and wearing the robes, they will offer a tika, yellow tika, in their forehead, and here in the upper part, Usnicha, will return the swastika chinna, the symbol of swastika. That is, the newly discipled persons have got all the knowledge and wisdom which is necessary for the Sravanar Bhikkhu, member of the Jina Sangha. And after that, again, there will be some process of worshipping pujas and the steps of giving all other knowledges again and again. In this time, after giving them the Chibara, Sishalku, and Guru Patra, and after offering the tika, yellow tika, then they will given the monk name. From then, they will known as the Bhikkhu name. They dropped their household name. In this way, till this process, they are getting several Buddhist education. When they will be retained, they will remain inside the Jina Sangha. When they are in position of the Jina Sangha member, they should perform daily life, in their daily life, from morning to evening, the Sila, Samadhi, and Pragya Jnana. In this way, their Buddhist ordination main day program will closed. And according to the Vajrayana tradition, they will remain in the Jina Sangha, and whenever they want to, whenever they are wandering in the Nagara and Grama, in the streets and the villages, for begging the foods and giving the sharing the knowledge, whatever they have got, only they will outside. They will be out They will be outside from the Jina Sangha, and again they will back to the Jina Sangha, Mula Baha, Mula Bahi. It will continue for 4 days. And after 4 days program, I will giving tomorrow, I will coming with the then after programs in the later program of Vajrayana Views and Vajrayana Talk. Thank you very much. Bhavatu Sarva Mangalam.